This is a question number 3 of GS paper 1 of mains 2021 examination. Question is, assess the main administrative issues and socio-cultural problems in integration of Indian princely states. In the answer to this question, first I have given brief history of political integration of 565 princely states. After political integration, next issue was administrative integration. Then I have discussed the administrative issues after political integration and how these administrative issues were sorted out. After that, I have discussed. I have discussed socio-cultural problems in integration of these states. Now let's read the answer. Historical background or political integration. At the time of independence, there were more than 570 princely states in India. They were free to join India or Pakistan or remain independent. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and his secretary VP Menon played important role in integration of 565 princely states with Dominion of India. They used a policy of carrot and stick. They offered privileges to rulers of these states, and those who refused to join, military force was used for them. By December 1947, 562 states except Junagadh, Kashmir, and Hyderabad had joined India. Hyderabad was integrated with India by use of force. Junagadh was integrated after plebiscite, and Jammu and Kashmir was integrated with India by signing an instrument of accession by ruler of the state. Next is the administrative issues after political integration. After political integration of princely states, the next issue was to transform these states into viable administrative units. For this, small states were merged into contiguous provinces or unions. Like Himachal Pradesh was created by merging 30 states. In Punjab, the Patiala and East Punjab states union was formed by merging princely states like Patiala, Jind, Nabha, Kapurthala, etc. Secondly, the strategically important states were centrally administered due to security reasons. The merger of states for administrative reasons was not an easy task, as merging of states will have ended the distinct identity of these princely states. Secondly, rulers of several states opposed merging due to history of rivalry with their neighboring states. However, Patel convinced the rulers of these states that without merger, the economies of these states will collapse. Even merger was not enough for effective administration of these states. According to initial instrument of accession, Indian government could have control only on external affairs and defense of these states, and the rulers of these states were not bound to accept policies and implement laws made by Indian government. To solve this issue, in 1948, a new instrument of accession was signed with rulers of these states, which gave power to government of India to make laws for these states. Next is socio-cultural problems. The integration and merger of princely states was on political, historical, and geographical basis and not on the basis of language and culture. After merger of states, demands for separate states were raised on the basis of language and culture. In Madras state, Telugu speaking people demanded separate state. There were similar demands in other parts of India. Nagas in northeast demanded separate state. In northeast, due to unique tribal cultures, demand for separate states were raised. These popular demands were addressed by further reorganizing the states and creating new states out of existing states.